Hey everyone, welcome back to Clip Your English. I'm Mia, and joining me today is my good friend Ethan.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Happy to be here.
So, Ethan, picture this. Cold hands wrapped around a warm cup of coffee, that crisp morning air, snow falling softly outside your window. What season am I describing?
Ha, that's definitely winter.
Exactly. And today, we're going to help you talk about winter like a native English speaker. By the end of this episode, you'll have all the words and phrases you need to describe winter weather, winter activities, and even how winter makes you feel.
And trust me, knowing how to talk about the weather, that's like the ultimate conversation starter in English.
So stick around. You might be surprised at how many new ways you can describe something as simple as cold. Okay, so first things first, winter doesn't look the same everywhere, right?
Oh, definitely not. I mean, when it's winter in New York, it's actually summer in Australia.
Wait, that blows some people's minds, but yeah, that's because of the hemispheres.
The what now?
The hemispheres. So the Earth is divided into two halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Ah, got it. So countries like the US, Canada, and Europe are in the northern hemisphere.
Yep, and places like Australia, New Zealand, and parts of South America are in the southern hemisphere.
And they have opposite seasons. So when we're bundled up in scarves and coats, they're at the beach.
Exactly. You could say, in the northern hemisphere, winter means snow and freezing temperatures.
And in the southern hemisphere, winter is usually much milder, like it's cool, but not super cold.
Right. And here's a fun tip. Talking about weather and seasons is actually a great way to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere in the world.
Yeah, you can always say something like, "So, how's the weather where you are?"
Or, is it winter there right now?
Easy, simple, and it gets people talking.
All right, so let's talk about how winter actually feels.
Ooh, good one. Because cold is just too basic, right?
Exactly. So here are some better words. First one, freezing.
Yeah, freezing means really cold, like painfully cold.
Right. You'd say, it's freezing outside today.
Or I'm freezing if you forgot your jacket.
Been there. Okay, next word, chilly.
Chilly is a little less intense. It means cold, but not unbearable.
Yeah, like you might need a light jacket, but you're not dying out there.
You could say, it's a bit chilly this morning.
Perfect. Okay, what about icy?
Icy means there's ice, or it feels like ice, super cold and slippery.
Yeah, the roads are icy today. Be careful driving.
Good example. And then there's frosty.
Ooh, I love that word. Frosty means there's frost, like that thin layer of ice you see on windows or grass in the morning.
Yeah, it's a frosty morning. So poetic.
Right? And one more, crisp.
Crisp is when the air is cold and fresh. It's actually kind of nice.
Yeah, like the air feels crisp and clean today.
Love it. Okay, now let's talk about how your body feels in winter.
Oh yeah, like numb hands.
Yes, when your hands are so cold you can't feel them anymore.
My fingers are numb.
Or I can't feel my toes.
So real. And then there's the cold wind.
Yeah, that sharp, biting wind that hits your face.
The wind is so cold today.
And don't forget dry skin.
Oh yeah, winter air is super dry, so your skin gets dry too.
I need to use lotion. My skin is so dry.
All right, let's pause for a second. Listeners, repeat after me. It's freezing today.
My fingers are numb.
The air feels crisp.
Perfect. Keep practicing those.
Okay, so now that we know how winter feels, let's talk about what to wear.
Yes, because if you don't dress right, you're going to be miserable.
So true. All right, first item, beanie.
A beanie is a knit hat that keeps your head warm.
Yeah, don't forget your beanie, it's cold out there.
Next, scarf.
A scarf goes around your neck. This scarf keeps me so warm.
Then we've got gloves.
Gloves cover your hands and fingers. I need to buy new gloves.
And of course, coat and jacket.
Right. A coat is usually thicker and longer. A jacket is lighter.
You should wear your winter coat today.
And don't forget boots.
Yeah, boots are super important in winter, especially if there's snow or ice.
I love my winter boots.
And then there's sweaters.
Ah, yes, cozy, warm sweaters. I'm wearing my favorite sweater today.
Okay, now let's talk about some phrases people use when talking about dressing for winter.
First one, bundle up.
Bundle up means to put on a lot of warm clothes.
Yeah, bundle up, it's freezing out there.
Next, layer up.
Layer up means wearing multiple layers of clothing.
You should layer up today. It's going to get colder.
And finally, stay warm.
This is just a nice thing to say to someone when it's cold.
Stay warm out there.
Thanks, you too.
All right, so what do people actually do in winter?
Good question. I mean, some people love winter activities.
Yeah, like skiing.
Oh, skiing is huge. That's when you slide down snowy mountains on skis.
I love skiing in the mountains.
Or, I'm going skiing this weekend.
Then there's snowboarding.
Yeah, snowboarding is similar to skiing, but you use a board instead.
Snowboarding is so much fun.
And ice skating.
Ooh, yeah, ice skating is when you glide on ice wearing special skates.
Let's go ice skating this weekend.
And some people just enjoy winter walks.
Yeah, like peaceful walks in the snow.
I love taking winter walks in the park.
So calming. And of course, building a snowman.
Yes, especially if you have kids.
We built a snowman in the backyard.
Classic winter activity.
Okay, but let's be real. Not everyone wants to go outside in winter.
So true. A lot of people prefer to stay inside where it's warm.
Exactly. Like having a movie marathon.
Ooh, yes. A movie marathon is when you watch several movies in a row.
Winter is perfect for movie marathons.
And, of course, hot chocolate.
Yes. Hot chocolate is essential in winter.
I'm making hot chocolate. Want some?
Always. And then there's just wrapping yourself in a blanket.
Yeah. Blankets are life in winter.
I just want to stay under my blanket all day.
Same. And we can't forget the word cozy.
Ah, cozy. That's such a winter word.
Yeah. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxed.
This room feels so cozy.
Or, I love cozy winter nights.
Perfect. And some people love reading indoors during winter.
Yeah. Winter is a great time to read.
I've been reading so much lately.
Love it. All right, so we've talked about what winter looks like, what you wear, what you do, but let's talk about how winter makes people feel.
Ooh, yeah. Because winter can be complicated emotionally.
Exactly. Like there's the hard side of winter.
Yeah, like slippery roads.
Ugh, yes. The roads are so slippery. Driving is scary.
And a lot of people feel low energy in winter.
Right. I feel so tired all the time.
And the dark evenings.
Oh, yeah. In winter, it gets dark really early.
It's already dark at 5 p.m.
So depressing sometimes. But then there's the comforting side of winter.
Yeah, like feeling warm inside.
I love being warm and cozy indoors.
And winter can feel really peaceful.
I find winter very peaceful.
Or relaxing.
Winter is such a relaxing season for me.
Now let's learn some adjectives to describe winter emotions.
First one, gloomy.
Gloomy means dark and sad.
Winter can feel really gloomy sometimes.
Next, comforting.
Comforting means it makes you feel safe and warm.
I find winter very comforting.
Then, calm.
Winter mornings are so calm and quiet.
And finally, tiring.
Winter can be really tiring.
Yeah, some people just feel exhausted in winter.
So yeah, winter is a mix of feelings.
Exactly. It can feel gloomy, but also peaceful, tiring, but also comforting.
Perfectly said.
Okay, here's a super practical tip. You can use winter as a conversation starter.
Oh, absolutely. Weather talk is like the safest small talk in English.
So true. Like if you're in an elevator or waiting in line, just say something about the weather.
Yeah, here are some easy starters. It's freezing today, isn't it?
Winter came early this year.
I miss the sun already.
That one's relatable. And then you can follow up with questions like,
Do you like winter?
or what do you usually do in winter?
These are great because they're easy and natural.
Right. And people love talking about the weather.
Seriously, it's a universal topic.
So next time you want to start a conversation in English, just talk about winter.
Easy, safe, effective.
All right. We've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick review of the key words.
Good idea. First word, freezing.
It's freezing outside.
Next, frosty.
It's a frosty morning.
Chilly.
It's a bit chilly today.
Cozy.
This room is so cozy.
Bundle up.
Bundle up. It's cold out there.
Let's practice some short sentences together. Ready?
It's freezing.
It's a frosty morning.
Let's stay cozy inside.
I love winter walks.
Don't forget your beanie.
Perfect. Keep practicing these.
All right, everyone, we're almost at the end.
Yeah, but before we go, we have a little challenge for you.
Ooh, yes. So here's what we want you to do. Describe your winter day out loud in English.
Ask yourself, what are you wearing? How does the weather feel? What are you doing today?
For example, you could say, I'm wearing my warm coat and beanie. It's freezing outside, but I'm staying cozy indoors with hot chocolate.
See? Simple, natural, and it uses everything we learned today.
The more you describe real life in English, the more natural your English becomes.
So take a minute today or tomorrow morning and just talk about your winter day.
You'll be amazed at how much it helps.
All right, so let's recap. Today we learned how to describe winter weather. Words like freezing, frosty, chilly, and crisp.
We learned winter clothing vocabulary: beanie, scarf, gloves, coat, boots.
We talked about winter activities, both outdoors and indoors.
And we learned how to talk about the emotional side of winter: gloomy, comforting, calm, tiring.
Plus, we gave you conversation starters so you can use winter as a topic in real conversations.
So here's our question for you. Which phrase did you like the most? Let us know in the comments.
And if this episode helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more English conversations every week.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
Stay warm out there, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.